Yo, what up, my travel barber tribe? How are y'all doing today? We back with another haircut tutorial. Actually, today we're doing just a lineup. It's not even a full haircut. It's going to be pretty quick and easy. I want to show you guys from start to finish how I would do a lineup with somebody with braids like his. So we're going to do, well, first, of course, you know the deal. Start by combing everything out that we're going to cut. Always start that off before you cut the hair. Whatever area is going to be cut needs to be combed first. It allows you to feel for any moles or nicks they may have, and also just get a feel for their hair texture. You just kind of know what you're dealing with before going in, you know what I'm saying? So it's a great way to just kind of feel out the canvas, the hair, and get everything prepared for before you start fading or doing any type of cutting at all. So anyways, we're going to do a number one all the way around. All the areas around his braids that are going to be lined up, we're going to take it down with the number one. We're going to taper the neckline. We are going to point the sideburns, and we're going to line everything up. And then at the end, got a little special treatment for y'all with this enhancement. You know what I'm saying? I know I don't do a ton of breakdowns on putting enhancement around the lineup. So we're going to go ahead and do another one of those at the end of this video. So make sure you watch it all the way through. Definitely if you want to support this page. And I truly appreciate y'all. Let's go ahead and get into this. So when I say number one all the way around, I'm talking about all the areas. Usually if they have braids or dreads, they usually already know the areas that they want to cut down, if they want to cut down any at all. So you can it's kind of self-explanatory with his. Everything that's growing out all around his edges, he wants to have cut down, and then it's just all about what kind of length they want at that point. So he wants it down to a number one against the grain. So everything, including the front lineup, the neck taper in the back, everything, sideburns, all that, it's going to be down to a number one against the grain. And then the only fade when we're doing is the neck taper on the back. And after that, we're going to follow the natural line all the way around the head. There's not really much else I can say until we get to the front lineup. So make sure you watch this video, stay tuned, and make sure to get to the end, because that's where all the good stuff comes in. So when doing your front lineup, you want to always start in the middle and work your way out. I also recommend starting by lining up the sideburn and C-cup areas first, because then you can see, you can make sure that both corners on both sides of the lineup are even, because they usually are uneven. So you want to stand in front of your client, work your way from the middle and work your way out. When dealing with the C-cup, the corners of the C-cups to meet perfectly, you want to see which side is longer, then go to the shorter side and bring that down and line that up as low as possible as it can be, where it's natural and dark at, and then match that with the other side. So that's the best way to have them both even, because you can't obviously grow the hair and have the lineup lower, right? So you want to make sure to match the longer side with the shorter side, because that's all you're going to be able to do. You're not going to be able to bring the other side further down unless you add some enhancements, but I don't recommend doing that because you want it to look natural. And then after that, like I said, start from the middle, work your way out, then bring down the sidebars. Then we're going to do our enhancements right here, which I'm pretty much already done. Just always have some kind of really sharp card like that. This one is pretty cool. I got it on Amazon because it has like where you can do the C-cups as well, or beard, or like straight across like corners and stuff like that. So you want to hold the spray just like a couple inches from the head. Always test it out first before putting it on your client, and then just spray along the lineup. Don't hold it for too long. Don't put too much. Just nice and just a light, dark, natural, and then add some hair fibers at the end and do a light touch up with the lineup, because that's just going to make it pop a little more. And the fibers just help it stand out, or I'm sorry, the fibers help it look more natural, because the fibers are like real hair that's attaching to his hair that will make the enhancement a lot more natural looking. But you don't want to make it super dark, because it can make it super dark. So you want to go light with the color, and then you can go over it with the hair fibers. And this is the final result. We lined it up all the way around. We did a neck taper in the back, pointed sideburns, nice and square in the front, nice even lineup. And yeah, there you go. Looks good with a nice enhancement. Came out really well. He was very happy. I think he was headed to prom. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or want to see more lineups, just hit me up in the DMs. And yeah, I'm calling y'all my travel barber tribe. I love y'all. Catch y'all in the next video.